Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me MOTOROLA Razr 2022, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your MOTOROLA Razr faster. Okay, first let's start with the question of why your phone is slowing down. Basically, it's because your phone can't handle the load you have put on it. This is either because the phone is not powerful or because you are not taking good care of it. Okay, so you should always understand that every device is designed to perform a certain amount of tasks with a certain dynamic, and not every phone, every smartphone can give you the opportunity to work on it smoothly at high dynamic of use. But despite the above, if you follow the instruction I am about to give you, you will be able to keep your device always in good condition, so that it works as this best. So the first aspect that can slow down your device is memory. Yes, the onboard memory. Onboard memory of a device is a limited resource. Often the winner is the one who invests in a device with a more built-in memory, and the whole point is that devices with full built-in memory begins to slow down. It's always a good idea not to fill the built-in storage more than 70% full. So the first step to speed up your device is to free up your memory. In order to free up space in your internal memory, you can delete unused applications, or example upload your old photos and videos to the cloud storage. To uninstall unused applications, open your settings, then find apps, click see all apps, and here you will see all your applications, and here near the application name you will see the application size, and here you can decide what application you want to delete, you want to remove. Find this application, choose this application, and click remove. For example, you can't remove applications pre-installed. So for example, I have no installed applications, as you can see, because my device is after factory reset. Don't matter, because I can't uninstall too. Okay, so if you will have installed applications, for example Facebook, you can click uninstall button, then OK button, and you can see Facebook was successfully uninstalled. Great. And if you want to upload your photos and images from your gallery, from your camera to cloud storage, you can use any cloud service. For example, you can use pre-installed Google Cloud, you can use Mega. Google Cloud, for example, gives you 15 gigabytes for free, and Mega 50 gigabytes for free. So if you want to upload your photos and videos to Google Photos, to Google Cloud, open Photos, it's pre-installed app, click on the icon of your account, and here choose Photos settings, and here you will see backup and sync. Here click, you will need to enable backup, and here you can change your upload size, mobile data usage, backup device folders, and as you can see I have 15 gigabytes for free. And for example, I have taken these photos now, and I want to remove it from my gallery, but I want to save it in my cloud. How can I do it? You need to, if you want to do it too, you need to click on your cloud button and click free up space. As you can see, I can free up 7 megabytes. So click free up space, click done, and as you can see, my photos are here on my gallery, but I have no my photos in my camera. application because I have no photos on my storage, I have it only on my Google Cloud. Okay, the second aspect that can negatively affect the speed of your device is the lack of RAM. All the processes the processor is running at this moment are running in RAM. All the applications that are running at the moment are also running in RAM. So here again, the winners is the one who bought a device with more temporary storage. So the RAM can be freed by unloading the running applications or by disabling the background work of the application. In order to unload the memory of running application, just swipe your finger up if you're using gestures or click on square button. Then just unload running applications to free up your RAM. Cool. The third aspect that slows down your device is the files that are left over from running apps. Applications in the Android operation system literally leaving behind a lot of junk, unnecessary files and folders that are not noticeable to the average user of the device. In order to clean these files, you will need a special program which will detect these files. We have no pre-installed application to clean up device like Huawei or Xiaomi devices, so I advise you to use Deep Cleaner app from Play Store. So just open Play Store and find here Deep Cleaner. As you can see, it's ad-free application and purchase-free application. It's completely free. You can't buy anything in this application. This application have no any premium. It's a really good tool to keep fit your device. So till now, later. Cool. And as you can see, here we have junk clean, phone booster, CPU full cooler, and battery saver. We not need. So if you want to clean unnecessary files, just click junk clean, wait a while, and click start clean up, and as you can see I have free up 400 of megabytes junk files. And we can boost our RAM too, and as you can see I have free up 4 gigabytes of RAM. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.